Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important always to test fuses and relays. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those and you're trying to find the fuse for the rear cigarette lighter, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located for any of you looking for that, guys. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and where to buy cheap fuses from, and in some cases what else could be causing that problem, so make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge Challenger. Some of you may think, okay, when you open the hood, doesn't matter if you have a V6, V8, you may think that the fuse is right here in the fuse box under the hood, but no, that's mostly for engine management right here. We need to go to a different location. The other one, guys, is actually in the trunk. So if we come right here now, okay, let us show you now. We come right here towards the back, under the cover right here for the trunk, and if we guys lift it up, you see your spare tire, car battery, and that fuse box. You need to open it right here. Just go ahead, open it, and the fuse, guys, that we'll need to check now. Before we continue, always a good idea to test fuses, because sometimes you cannot see clearly if they're burnt or not. And let's say you put a bad fuse but you thought it was good, you spend time and money to fix a problem that didn't exist. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. The fuse that we'll need, guys, to check is known as F12 fuse. We're talking about that little bitty fuse right here, that yellow fuse. So if you need to pull it out, you get the fuse puller, you go on top of it, squish it. Don't fall there. No. Perfect. Whew, that was close. That's the most inconvenient place for the fuse due to the relay next to it. So I'll pull the relay out, put it in a second because I cannot grab the fuse. Okay, and it's right here. Now, another thing now, guys. If you need to buy replacement fuses, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. If you replace and you still have a problem, we have a video how to replace cigarette lighter socket. And also in some cases you may need to reset the body control module, because if it detects that you have short in the circuit, what will happen, the body control module will actually, guys, deactivate that function, so things don't practically catch on fire or anything like that. And you might need a scanner in some rare cases where you can access every computer system in your car, reset the codes, and continue. That's our favorite scanner for that. It's not expensive at all, it can pay itself off in one-time use, but it's super powerful. It works on almost any car you can think of, and it can access every computer system, and some of these modern cars have more than 50 computers, and you can, guys, actually also read codes, delete codes, and see live data. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.